Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you what effects purified reverse osmosis water has on your beverages. For today's example, we are going to use Tetley Orange Pekoe Tea to show you guys the differences. Tea is something everyone enjoys in their home, with their families, on a nice evening, but one thing we always notice is our tea never looking like the packaging that we purchase. Today we have two mugs in front of us, where one is filled with our regular raw tap water and the other one filled with our purified reverse osmosis water. To show you guys the differences and how the type of water affects your beverages, what we'll do first, guys, is take a tea bag and add it into each mug. Let's stir the tea that we are used to seeing pretty much our whole entire life when we're making an orange Pekoe tea. You'll notice as we stir this tea, the color of the tea is dark brown, something we see in our homes pretty much all the time. I'll simply take the tea bags out of the mug. Now, for the first time, guys, we are going to witness what an actual orange Pekoe tea looks like. And if you see in the reverse osmosis water, the color of the orange Pekoe is actually orange. Now, if you're wondering why the different color, well, simply because tea is also designed to stain things. With our raw tap water having so many different levels of impurities, a tea bag added in boiling hot water simply highlights everything that is inside of our water. Hence the reason why the color is always darker. Whether it be a green tea, whether it be an orange Pekoe tea, it always looks dark. The reason we are seeing a rich orange Pekoe tea that looks orange is simply with the reverse osmosis water having no impurities to highlight. It actually revealed what is inside the tea and what it's supposed to look like. So given the choice, folks, if waking up every morning and if you guys wanted to enjoy a nice hot beverage like tea, would you prefer something that looks dark and brown or something that looks exactly like the packaging?